Welcome back to a very special episode of the Boostly podcast, and we are going to delve into a Boostly tune-up. So this is a lots of different series. It's like a Boostly multiverse, and I'm helping lots of different hosts tune up their business so they can get more bookings. Now, the gent that I am helping today is Kevin from Patriot VR. Kevin has got a Boostly website. It's live, and he is very honest to say that he has done nothing proactively in terms of getting people to the site. From the Google Analytics, he's seen that he's at about 100, but it should be so much more. So what we're going to do today, and this is like a little segment of our chat. Our chat in total is about an hour. I'm taking little segments so I can present it to you, to show him what he needs to do, but it will help you as well. We delve into tools, tactics, and if you want to find out more about Boostly TuneUp, just email mark@boostly.co.uk, put in the subject heading Boostly TuneUp. And if you are part of Team Boostly, so if you've got a Boostly website, content creator, academy, all the things that we talk about today, you can get access to. So go and check it out. Log into your dashboard and take advantage and use it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is the first time that you've done so, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, download, tell a host, share with a friend, all of the good stuff. But now let's jump into our chat and you can find out more about how I'm helping Kevin at Patriot VR get more direct bookings via getting more traffic to his website. Speak soon. What have you or anybody done to drive people to the website? Just sort of brain dump everything that you have done sort of proactively.
Yeah, honestly, we've been so busy with regular bookings that we haven't spent much time dedicated to anything for direct bookings outside of, hey, if someone reaches out to me directly, I'm sending them the site, I'm posting it. So we've only had a few hundred visitors to it. Yeah. Without, we haven't done any traffic driving activities really that I would expect to surge.
Yeah. So, okay, so let's list off what you have in place for the business at the moment and just say yes or no. So Facebook page, business page, yes or no?
Yes.
Yep. Instagram page, yes or no?
Yes.
Yep. You got LinkedIn, obviously, so that's your personal LinkedIn, but drive people there.
I have the business one also.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got social media boxed off. Do you have a email marketing software, i.e. MailChimp set up?
I have MailChimp set up.
Fantastic.
400 direct booking contacts in there that have already stayed with us.
Nice. How are you collecting that data?
You're welcome.
Nice. So you've got You're Welcome TV, tablets, in the properties, collecting that data, feeding it through to MailChimp. Lovely.
Manually, they're not, for some reason, it's not able to be like automated.
It's not automated.
Yeah, which blows my mind.
So the integration is being cut between You're Welcome and MailChimp.
Yeah, unless it's updated and I'm not aware of it. I have someone manually entering all of it.
So do you have the login details to hand for You're Welcome?
Yeah, Katie, we can only have one login, so Katie has the actual password and stuff for it.
Katie, the digital marketing expert.
Katie's she started as the guest services, so she dealt with all the guests.
Yeah.
So part of her task was just uploading it because we don't have anyone on the staff that's like a digital marketing person.
Yeah, so Katie does that. I'm going to make notes to my side.
Yeah, Katie puts the data from You're Welcome into MailChimp manually.
One of the most important things is what I want to do is I want to save as much time as possible. And I believe that there's been a broken connection somewhere between You're Welcome and MailChimp, because that should be automated. Whether it is just broken their end, whatever end, but it's an easy fix and it should be fixed because no one should be doing that manually, especially the more that you grow.
Yeah, seriously.
So the next question is 400 lovely emails sat there. When was the last time an email was sent to those people?
So let me go into my theory a little bit. Well, one, never. We've never emailed them. And the reason is because we had some internal issues, operations issues, that what I was worried about was when I do email them, I know that they're going to be like, I feel like I know they're going to be coming. So I was just waiting till kind of the right time. I wanted to get it out before summer for like a summer email campaign. But we never got around to it.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah, so I mean, we haven't emailed them yet, so they're fresh for, a nice campaign for sure.
I'm here to help. I'm gonna send you some templates for Katie or whoever to send, but it's a case of the copywriter has already put these together. Boostly people are using it, and they are working so well. And it'll be cool to see how you get on with it. I'm gonna send you some templates. One of the main ones that it's going to send is it's going to be a very simple. It's not going to be selling, because these guests have already stayed with you. They've already got the know, like, and trust. It's going to be asking for a referral, a do you know anyone type email. And it's working really well from people that already know, like, and trust you. And as well, especially getting people to the brand new website. It's like, hey, you've already come and stayed here. We've boxed off and we've got these brand new properties, X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
Come and check it out. You know anybody who needs a vacation, whether it's September, October, grandkids having to look after the kids over the summer, they need a place to go stay, relax, or whether it's everyone wants like a big vacation for like Memorial Weekend or whatever weekend is coming up next in October.
Labor Day, I think.
Labor Day.
Give a day off to celebrate work. Like, get your ass in the office.
Yeah, exactly. So all of that. So these templates work really well for that. And I'll send it through to you. So Katie can have a go of it. You can have a go of it. Whoever can have a go of it. But definitely use it. If you've got these lovely 400 emails, definitely.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.